Hi, my name is Akansha and this is my investment journey on etoro. I chose etoro because it's a very unique platform which brings investors and the community together. The openness and the shared approach of sharing the knowledge between the community in a global way is something that sets etoro apart. My strategy is disciplined, long-term and balanced. Quality companies with diversified theme to make sure that the compounded growth is basically the goal that my portfolio wants to achieve, and also for the copiers which are following me as well. The hardest part of my investment journey was to learn to be patient. Early on, I used to take losses personally, but with time and experience, I learned that volatility is a part of the process. Gaining to have emotions being reflected in your investment journey was my biggest achievement as an investor. Well, my biggest milestone during my etoro investment journey was when I started receiving personal messages from my copiers and my followers that how they have substantially grown their profile by following the strategies I have been implementing. This made me understand that etoro is not just about numbers, but it's about real people living in real world, growing together, building together and gaining the trust together with the goal of achieving financial independence over time. The most valuable lesson I learned on the very first year of my investment journey was that consistency beats the market. Early on, I used to be expecting results fast, but with time I learned that being invested, even though there are a lot of uncertainties, is something that drives your long-term goal of success. Whenever I adapt to changes based on discipline over predictions. Whenever there is a market shift, I review the fundamentals and make necessary changes. The goal is to basically protect the capital and grow it with clarity whenever there is a market shift. So if you copy me, you can expect transparency, clarity, and consistency. I share regular updates, not just about what I have invested in, but also the reasoning behind it. The reason is, the aim is to make sure that the people understand the reasoning behind each and every move so that they can grow confidently with me with every market cycle.